Click on the link below to get price. The Prefab Folding Mobile Mini House is an innovative solution for those seeking affordable and flexible living options. This stackable prefabricated container home stands out in the housing market for its unique design and practicality. Measuring at a compact size, it is perfect for individuals or small families looking for a versatile living space. One of the most impressive features of this mini house is its foldable design, which allows for easy transportation and installation. The ability to stack multiple units makes it an excellent choice for those wanting to create a larger living environment in a limited area. This feature is particularly advantageous for urban dwellers or those in temporary living situations, such as students or traveling professionals. The construction quality is commendable. Made from durable materials, this container home is designed to withstand various weather conditions. The insulation is adequate, ensuring that the interior remains comfortable regardless of the season. Additionally, the aesthetic appeal of the exterior can be customized, allowing owners to add their personal touch. Inside, the layout is surprisingly efficient. The space is intelligently utilized, featuring a compact kitchen, a living area, and sleeping quarters. While it may not offer the grandeur of traditional homes, the minimalist approach fosters a cozy atmosphere. The large windows allow natural light to flow in, making the space feel larger and more inviting. However, potential buyers should consider the limitations in space. This mini house is designed for a specific lifestyle and may not suit larger families or those accustomed to more expansive living environments. Furthermore, the lack of built-in storage could be an issue for those who own a lot of belongings. Overall, the Prefab Folding Mobile Mini House offers an innovative and sustainable living solution. Its portability, stackable design, and efficient use of space make it a worthy consideration for anyone looking to embrace a simpler lifestyle without sacrificing comfort.